Vintage designer shirts for $25 to $70. Let's unbox. This is very exciting. 95% off savings. Hello. First of all, what do we think of my little matching set from India? Ooh, almost. This was like 20 bucks and it's so comfy, and it might be my new everyday outfit. I got like 5 of them, and airport outfit and all the things because I love a little matching set. Don't we all? Okay, anyway, this is part 2 of unboxings from TheRealReal. Sustainable savings, secondhand savings, steal videos from TheRealReals. We'll do 2 and 3 because it's gonna get a little tedious to do them all. But these are clothings, it looks like. Yes, these are both clothings. So we're gonna box them and then talk about them and do the whole thing. Yeah, so sustainable secondhand savings, steal videos from TheRealReals. Sustainable secondhand shopping, savings, steal videos from TheRealReals. Ah! Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, shopaholic, and today we're doing a quick sustainable part 2 unboxing of RealReal clothes from designer brands at a fraction of the cost that they are. Buying secondhand, upcycling, sustainable savings, things like that. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. Keep on watching. Keep on watching. Mwah. Okay. So obviously I unboxed them already all for TikTok. They're all too tight. They're all gold weight shirts, so we're gonna count them as gold weight shirts, but they're all still really, really good deals. We're gonna talk about it and come back in 5 to 6 months for me to try them on when they fit, hopefully, because I'm gonna lose the weight. We're gonna lose the weight. We are. Okay, so put on a lot of weight. Anyway, so this is the first one. Nope. This is the first one. It's a vintage, no, it's a Prada tee in 2016. It's got this like different soft material on here and on the pocket, which is kind of nice. It's 70 bucks. The original price I think was 180, 175 on the RealReal, and then it was discounted. So steal the deal first. Secondly, oh, and then it has a little Prada sign right there. Got some wear on it, but that's okay. I think it's just like a regular tee. But this shirt probably is like $500-600 at the store. So saving 75 bucks. So we're saving, let's say 100. So we're saving 400 bucks right there. Woo-hoo! 101. Yeah, 70 bucks, 60% off, 175. Patchwork from 2016. Minor discoloration, very good. So that's the listing, the original listing. So I think we got a good deal on this one. Again, not gonna try it on now because too fat. Second one was a vintage Prada shirt, which is so soft. The softest little munchkin in the world. Oh, side note, cut. 95% off savings. Okay, cut. Okay, so this one was the best deal. This was $25. It's so soft, it's a Prada shirt. It's very tight on me. I have to lose a lot of weight to fit in this. But $25, black Prada tee, vintage. Very casual, classy, classic. I mean, $25 for a t-shirt is how much t-shirts are now, right? Regular t-shirts. Fading throughout, size tag removed. It's a size small, vintage, late 1990s. It was 125 and now it's 25. So I think that's a good deal, right? Yeah, me too. Okay. And the last one is this Dior B accent tee that was originally 125 and I got it for 50. Also, I think a really good deal. I love little B accent. It's got a little wear on it too, but good for like just at home. It's a V-neck with a B in white. I have it in gray and I have it in black. Those are both tight on me now too. The gray one used to fit me. I used to wear it a lot. I think you guys remember. The black one I haven't yet to fit in because I have not lost the weight. But we will. These are gold shirts. What do we think? Do we like them all? Do we not like them all? Let me know in the comments below. For now, it's sweats, comfy sweats until I stop sweating because of the fat. Whoo! You guys. Whoo! Okay. That's all I got, I think. Yeah? Yeah. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed that. This is part 2 and 3. We'll go 4, 5, and 6 later, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share it. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. I appreciate you. You're here with me. I'll see you in the next one, baby. Bye.